Season the grill, enhancing your cooking experience. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase used in cooking: season the grill. This phrase is not only about adding spices but holds a deeper meaning in culinary arts. Let's dive into the world of grilling and learn how this phrase is used in English. Season the grill doesn't refer to adding salt and pepper to your grill. Instead, it's about preparing your grill for cooking. This process involves coating the grill grates with oil and heating them. This creates a non-stick surface and adds an extra layer of flavor to whatever you're grilling. It's an essential step for any barbecue enthusiast. Seasoning your grill does more than just prevent food from sticking. It also protects the grill from rust and wear, helps in even heat distribution, adds a subtle smoky flavor to your food, enhancing the overall taste. Remember, a well-seasoned grill is a sign of a skilled cook. 1. Clean the grill. Start with a clean surface. Remove any previous food residues. 2. Oil the grates. Use a high smoke point oil like canola or vegetable oil. Apply it evenly. 3. Heat the grill. Turn on your grill to a high setting and let it heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Let it cool. After the grill cools down, it's ready for cooking. Seasoning your grill is a simple yet crucial part of the grilling process. It not only improves your cooking but also extends the life of your grill. Next time you fire up the grill, remember to season it first. Happy grilling, and I hope this video helps you in your English language learning journey.